like 2 migraines a week.
Wow. A week?
Yeah. But if I let them get bad enough, it's where like I have to be in a dark room,
Okay.
vomiting.
So migraines weekly, visual disturbances, right?
Mm-hmm.
Stuff, numbness and tingling to the arms and hands. So let's show everybody how we fix that. Are you scared?
Yes.
Me too.
Don't tell me
I'm
that.
kidding.
I'm like sweating.
Nice and easy. Just let it fall into my hand. Let it go. See, that was easy.
Oh my god.
Chin up.
Wow.
Perfect. See, that was good.
I just feel it all like. Oh my god.
Perfect. A little blowout.